What's up YouTube, it's Tony B doing a video here really quick on my Diff Oil Change. I had a 2016 Scat Pack RT shaker and I'm about to change the differential oil because it's got 6,000 miles, a little bit over, probably 64, but I wanted to change it due to the fact that it's that break-in oil in there, and you know, sometimes it makes that little weird humming noise. So this is the best oil I've used for many years. It's called AMSOIL, and you see, slip lock, guys. This stuff right here, man, you can't go wrong with this stuff, bro. This is the best of the best, I think, for our applications. You know, synthetic, this thing is kick-ass, guys. You'll definitely tell the difference. I had it on my 10 Challenger and she works great. Now guys, get one of these from this company. This right here is your friend, your savior right here. Goes in here, pump it in, dude, easy peasy. Now let me show you what I got going on here. Oh, this is my engine. Got a couple little things done to it, just a little bling bling, no big deal. I'm waiting for my thermostat pump housing to come in from Billet Technologies. I already got the 193 thermostat. I don't want to do the 180 because the 180 gives you check engine light issues. Don't want to deal with that shit. All right, so here we go. Going underneath the vehicle. I set everything up, guys. You guys can get a better view of what's going on here. You can see right here is a good one. Right there, guys. Now, since I have a performance development diff brace, I had to take it off because I couldn't reach this one right here, the top one. So on my application, my performance development diff brace had to come off, but they're easy to put back on. So make sure you have all your proper tools that you need. This one is a 8mm hex head right here, guys. This one and this one. Always make sure you take the top one off, because if you have any issues and you take the bottom one off, you're screwed. So I've already loosened them up so you guys can see. That's your top one. I want to see how this oil looks after 6,000 plus miles. And then this is the bottom where all the shit's gonna come out. I want to look at it to see how it looks. Don't know how's it gonna look. You know what, not too bad. I've seen it nastier than that, so that's not bad at all. It's clear, you can see right through it. But for my peace of mind, I'm gonna replace it. It's not too dirty. I like to feel it to see. Nah, she's good. She's clean too. But I don't like to leave sometimes this OEM oil because I feel like it's just breaking oil, so it's not hurting me any. I think I pay like $54 for all the supplies to get it done right. So it's just for my peace of mind, that's all. Since I know it's pretty clean, what I'll do is she can go back on. I know she's empty. Guys, I'm gonna tighten it hand by hand, but guys, these are gonna be tightened up 20 to 25 foot-pounds. Torque them, guys. I see a lot of guys on YouTube, they don't be torquing jack, bro. They just be slapping parts on and, you know, let's run with it. Nah, man, you guys gotta torque shit, man, because it's, especially on an important part like this, you have to torque everything. Even when I do my diff brakes, when I put it on, it's 80 foot-pounds on both bolts, and you know, you gotta torque everything down. They don't make torque specs for fun, you know, they're there for a reason. All right, guys, this looks good. This looks kind of cruddy over there, but that looks good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go I'm gonna move the camera over here. The view is shaking. I apologize, guys. Tripod's getting creepy here. All right, let me see. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. All right, guys, let me go get this oil. Guys, don't overfill it either, because you'll screw up your seals. See how clear this one is, guys? The difference. That was only 6,000 miles. Okay, that looks good. Guys, I'm gonna pause the video real quick because I know you guys don't want to see me wasting your time pumping that shit right there.